Hey you guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the Garage Couple. This is Ruby. For those of you just tuning in, my name is Aline. This is my JKU. My husband Greg is the cameraman for today.
Hey.
And he drives that TJ back over there. Today is a super exciting episode, you guys. I am going to give you a 2-year walk-around update on the JKU. Make sure to save, share, subscribe to our channel if you're in the market for a Jeep, have a Jeep, or just love great content. Let's do it. For those of you that haven't seen the video, make sure to check it out right above. It was actually our second video we ever posted on Garage Couple, and it really got us started on modding our Jeeps. But since then, it's been 2 years, and we have some insane upgrades that I cannot wait to show you. We're gonna break it down by interior, exterior, and tires and rims.
Alrighty, so why don't we get started? So many mods, so little time. There's literally almost no corner of this Jeep that has not been modified. I'm excited for Aline to share with you guys between the solar panel on the hood,
Come on, we'll get to it. But if you're interested in any of the products we show you, it will all be in the link below, so make sure to check it out.
And while you're there, check out our merchandise, check out our Amazon shop, and make sure to check out our Facebook page and our Instagram. Everything is at Garage Couple. Let's get going.
Let's do it. Let's start with rims and tires. Come on over here. Let's start with some rims and tires and everything in between. So we are rocking the Rocks Tricks rims. I absolutely love them, you guys. They give I'm about to get in some trouble. They give my Jeep such a nice edge. I've actually never seen another Jeep rocking this color, so I absolutely love it. And your eyes are not fooling you, you guys. These are 37-inch radar tires. We absolutely love them. They're very quiet. They've done really good in the snow, in the mud, and in sunny California, and we're excited to see how they hold up. We'll keep you posted in other terrain. Now, we also did a lift kit. We have a 3-inch MotoFab lift kit. We did that probably around a year and a half ago, right, babe?
Yes, we did. It is a spacer lift kit, and we've answered many questions about it. We have the full step-by-step install video, but the answer is we have never had any issues with our driveline or with any vibrations or with anything at all. We had not had to relocate anything. It popped right in. It was like $150.
So after putting these big tires on, I did notice the Jeep struggling just a little bit, so we decided to re-gear the Jeep as well. So we went to a
4.88 gear ratio.
That's right, and we did see a noticeable difference, so we are very happy with the re-gear. Would definitely recommend it if you're gonna run bigger tires.
All right, let's move along. Tell me about those fenders.
Alrighty, can't with these fenders. Let's move to exterior. So for those of you that didn't see the video, we actually...
Ruby? What's going on?
I promise he's friendly, you guys.
What's going on, buddy?
So I really wanted more clearance with fenders, so I decided to use a Dremel and just have at it. So hopefully these get changed soon, but for now they are stock and just cut with the Dremel. Thank you so much for the Dremel life. Let's do the exterior. Let's do the lights. Let's do the front area. So we have 2 sets of light pods on both ends of the Jeep. We have a light bar on the hood, which I absolutely love. It's perfect size, gives out a great amount of light. I probably use that one the most frequently. And then we have the light bar mounted at the top.
Once we get to interior, we will show you how those are mounted, but we go camping quite often, and those come in handy a lot to light up our campsite.
They are super bright, you guys. Now,
why don't we talk about the elephant in the room? Tell me about the vinyl.
Oh, the vinyl. Well, we actually decided to do that ourselves. It's a wrap, you guys. So we cut each individual piece of the camo ourselves. We went through all the steps. We'll put the link above as well. It's totally something you guys can do at home if you're looking to just add a little flair to your Jeep. So we did camo. That's what we went with. Absolutely love it. Now, Greg and I are really big on sustainable living. We love camping, and we like just being off the grid. Something that really helps with that is solar panel. So what we have over here is the Cascadia 4x4 solar panel. This has worked like a charm, especially if you're gonna run more accessories. It kind of works instead of putting an extra battery in your car, and it just gives you that extra power. And it's constantly charging, right? Southern California.
Now tell me about that angry grill. Our the crowd pleaser of all of your mods.
I love this angry grill. It gives me character, gives my Jeep character. Feel free to do what you want with your grill, you guys. Don't go with the flow. So that's our angry grill. It's pretty standard.
We got some LED halo headlights underneath.
Always
the ones by Super Re, the same ones that we've given away dozens and dozens of times.
Sitting on the bumper is our 9500 Pro Nova winch. We actually gave one away 2 weeks ago at our Jeep charity meet. We're excited to see how it shows up on another Jeep. One of the earlier mods that we did was changing the bumper. It comes with a pretty plastic, similar to the fender. Not really
Pretty
safe.
plastic.
Pretty plastic. Not very safe. We decided to switch it out with a heavy duty metal Amazon bumper, you guys. It was very easy to install, and the one that we chose is a 2-piece. So you put the bottom and then you can attach the stinger as well. So you can take this off. It's only 4 bolts on each side just to change it up a bit, but I like it. It also gives me a couple extra inches on the front side. Alrighty, I got a really nice thing. It's this big, but I see Greg using it all the time. We got a bottle opener.
Oh, the shade.
Always handy, always handy. And we have the antenna. When the Jeep comes, you guys, it has that really 90s looking antenna.
You guys.
If you go off-roading a lot, it's gonna get in the way. Also with a lot of wind, it just flies everywhere. This is nice, it's stable, and it gets the job done.
Speaking about accessories up front, let's talk about these hood latches.
Ooh.
We actually installed these hood latches while we were camping. We made a video on it, and basically, to keep things short, that powder coated hood latch pops on in less than 10 minutes and absolutely keeps that hood from fluttering.
That's right, we don't like that flutter.
No, we do not.
Something more?
Oh, what's up, TJ? What's up, bud? How we doing?
Ruby, something we did recently was adding these Aries Action Track sideboards. Check this out, you guys.
So cool.
So cool, you guys. These were pretty easy to install, and at night it also has a light, so if you have passengers coming in, it's gonna light up the floor. Now, any door that you open, it's gonna drop down and then close.
Pretty straightforward to install. Also have a video on that one.
If you don't know already, we love LEDs, right? So we changed out our taillights for LED. Mine has a really sick pattern, but you can change it as you will. We have a couple videos on taillights and how easy they are to install. Anyone can do it.
And these are the ones that look like the JL style. They're so cool.
Dun dun dun!
The least favorite of them all.
This is a DV8 tire carrier. Now, this was far from easy to install. We actually might have had a couple damages to our body frame. I don't know what in between, but it looks amazing. Now on this side of it, right over here, we actually had to shave it down with a Dremel because this wasn't getting the full swing after putting the 70-inch tires in the back.
70-inch. I'm not gonna edit that out. I'm gonna keep that there.
Okay. After putting the 37-inch tires back here, it wasn't opening fully, so it made my trunk non-functional.
You could not open the trunk, so we had to fix that. We made a video on it as well. We won't fully hash it out here. We tell you everything we think about it in that video.
Okay.
Tell me about that crazy light bar facing the rear.
I absolutely love the positioning of this light bar, you guys. Because I don't have a rear camera at night, it sometimes is difficult to see. All I do is flip on this light bar and it is so bright and it illuminates the back of the Jeep and I can reverse safely.
And we also have those 2 red lights there that are connected to a strobing module so that every time she hits the brakes, that acts as her 3rd brake light and strobes.
Another really easy mod is the locking gas cap. We've had a couple incidents where actually Greg, not me, got his gas stolen. Not the best situation. So this locking gas cap is super easy to, well, I can't open it and show you. I have to get my keys, forgot. Just a couple screws, super easy to install. Now, oh, the one and only step. This is so convenient, from storage to a rooftop tent, and if you just want to chill out on your Jeep. It holds a really good amount. It's super sturdy. It's been here for almost 1.5 years now, and it hasn't loosened at all. So I definitely recommend this side step. And you can put it on both sides if you want to. Something a little bit newer, you guys, is we installed these Aries roof rails as a roof rack, you guys. Now, if you're considering a roof rack, things to consider. A lot of them require you to drill directly into your hardtop. I did not want to compromise my hardtop just yet, so this was a perfect option. It clips right into the rain gutter, right at the top over there.
That roof rack is perfect for the rooftop tent, especially when you're going camping. Rooftop tents are the way to go. We get the hype. Auline, why don't we go ahead and talk about the interior?
Let's go. Ruby, where are you going, buddy? Come on in. Let me show you around. So, to start, we have Pro Clip phone holder in my Jeep as well as Greg's Jeep. If you don't know Pro Clip, you guys, they make phone holders that are specifically designed for your phone. There is no wobble, it's very stable, and if you're running without doors, this is the way to go as far as phone holders. Ruby wants to take the shot away. Over here on the A-pillar, we have my switches. These correspond with the lights in the front. When you click it, the lights turn on. You want to come in and show them? Just click them all, the lights all turn on beautifully. Something else we did early on was we painted the trim of the Jeep all on the inside. So the AC's red to make it match, and the trim on the side of the door. The stock Jeep comes with these netted pockets that sag after you put a couple things in there. Initial issue that happened really quick, so we replaced them with these JK pockets that are very, very sturdy.
No more saggy sacks.
Can't see it.
Of course I can.
Now let me show you what's underneath the seat. We actually installed a sub directly under my seat. It has added so much bass to the music that I play in the Jeep.
That is an easy one you could go ahead and do for under $120 all by yourself. Super straightforward, and honestly, that thing, I believe it was 10-inch. We installed over 2 years ago, no issues at all.
Zero, and we've put the switch over here so that I can adjust how high I want the bass on and off. We also upgraded all the speakers in here to kicker speakers, all the ones in the front as well as on the back.
Totally worth it. You can get it on Amazon. Goes in very easy without a fuss.
Here's some more red trim that we added. These grab handles, also easy to install. Last in this area are these rubber floor mats, and they're not normal floor mats because they clip directly in at those two holes. Something that we did come across prior with other floor mats is that they move around, and if it gets caught on the top of your gas pedal, it is really dangerous. So these ones clip directly down and do not move. I also have them in the back as well.
Why don't you go ahead and open that tire carrier?
With one hand.
No way. Oh, one-handed.
That's right. Doesn't sound too pleasant, does it?
Does not.
Should I let Ruby go or the doors closed?
Yeah, why don't we also have this tailgate table.
Yes, we have this tailgate table that is very convenient to use when you are camping or picnicking. It has clips on the side to make sure it doesn't rattle while you are driving, and it folds directly down, has a lip on the edge as well so nothing falls off. Ruby! You also kind of have to push the tire carrier as you open it to give it clearance. Hi! And this is the fridge that we have added to the Jeep.
This is one of those affordable refrigerators on Amazon. It only costs, I believe, $100 or so. It does refrigeration, it does freezing, and it basically runs off of the battery.
And it has free bananas inside.
So we basically keep this thing plugged in at all times, and if it's gonna drain too much battery, it automatically shuts off. Highly recommend that kind of setup if you like camping or if you want to just keep bananas in your trunk. What else do you keep in your trunk?
A couple things you have to have in your Jeep just for safety. The first is a fire extinguisher. When you are running so many accessories and going off-road, it's just good to always keep one. It straps directly on the roll cage so it doesn't bother at all. Now, something else we recently got that is a must-have, sorry Ruby, in any vehicle, including a Jeep, is a battery starter. Now, you do not need another vehicle, which is why this one is so awesome. There is this battery over here that you can charge through USB. It charges and it holds incredibly well. I've already used this a couple times and it still has battery. And then it has your two clips to attach.
Always keep one of these in your vehicle. You never know when you or someone around you will need it.
Thank you all for coming around and watching the update 2-year walk around of my JKU. Now, part of being a part of this community, lots of parts, is the ability to always mod your Jeep and do changes. So this is just the beginning for my JKU. We have so much in store for you. Make sure to check out our Instagram at Garage Couple. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for all the amazing content to come. See you all soon. Have a great day and stay safe.
Stay toasty.